Hello and welcome to Math with Dotun. We're calculating circumference when area is given. Alright, in this question you're not given the radius, you're not given the diameter, but you're to calculate the circumference. The only thing given to us is the area of the circle. Let's look at it together. If the area of a circle is 38.5 centimeters, what is the circumference of the circle? So the area is given to us as 38.5 centimeters. And now we are to calculate the circumference. So for us to calculate the circumference of the circle, we need either the radius or the diameter. The radius or the diameter. And since we have the area, we can get our radius from the area. So remember the formula for calculating radius when area is given. That is the square root of the area divided by pi. Alright, the square root of area divided by pi. Okay, so in this case, we are given the area as 38.5 centimeters. All right, let's convert that to fraction, and that will be 38.5. All right, and then if we take it to an improper fraction, that will be 3 times 38 will be 76 plus 1, and that is 77/2 centimeters. All right, that's what we're going to use in our calculation. All right, since we have the pi as a fraction. So we have 77, the area 77/2 divided by the pi, which is 22/7. Simple division of fraction, right? So we have keep, change, flip. So we keep the first fraction as it is, we change the sign, and then we'll flip the next fraction. So we have 7/22. All right, so in this case, we check if there's anything that can divide any common factor between the numerator and the denominator, all right, from any angle. All right, and here we have 22 and 77. So that means there's a common factor, all right, and that's 11. So 11 in 22 is 2. 11 in 77 is 7. So left here, we have 7 times 7, that is 49. And then 2 times 2, that is 4. Okay, and we can see our answer already. Okay, so what's the square root of 49? The square root of 49 is 7. And the square root of 4 is 2. So our radius is 7/2 centimeters. Our radius is 7/2 centimeters. All right. So now to the main question. What is the circumference of the circle? What is the circumference of the circle? We have our radius already, which is 7/2 centimeters. So to calculate using the radius, we have the circumference equals to 2 times pi times radius. All right, and that's 2 times 22/7 times 7/2. All right, so let's divide. 2 goes there 1, and 2 here is 1. 7 in 7 is 1. 7 in 7 is 1. And then what do we have left? We have 1 times 22 times 1, which is 22/1. And so our final answer is 22 centimeters. So the circumference of the circle is 22 centimeters. All right. I'm going to give you a challenge. If you know a faster way or another way to get our answer, to find the circumference of a circle when the area is given, please let me know in the comments. All right. And if you have any question, do well to share. Thank you. Bye.